Welcome to CAD/CAM learning tutorial. In this tutorial, I will teach you in this exercise. Okay, exercise number 10. So, how to first you will read this exercise. Okay, so first you will take this two construction line for angle is 30 degree. Okay, total angle is a 60 degree, and then this circle is on this line. Okay, this circle radius is 13.0, so take a diameter. Okay, and this radius is a 6.5, and center to center circle distance is 77.5. Okay, and this is also same, and radius is 22.1. Okay, and this distance is a 78. Okay, so and this slot distance is a 10.8. so in this tutorial, use this thicken command. Okay, and circle command, r command. Okay, and how to take a dimension. So more practice in a sketch. If your sketch will be good, your designing will be good. Okay, if your sketch will be not perfect, so you will not design any component in a B frequent. So more practice and more practice. Okay, let's see start next you. See this, see the, so let's start. Okay, so go through new. Okay, then click on the select the part. Okay, then select sketch pen, then hide this. See this, your drawing. Okay, so take a short screen mobile. Okay, then start to draw. See this, and click here, take a circle, first click and take a line. Okay, two lines, take a two lines, this line, mouse will. So let's start, and then draw this two circle. So first you use this command, and then take this angle 60 degree, and then one side angle is a 30 degree. So both angle are different. Okay, then draw a circle anywhere. Okay, and this, and define the circle diameter, radius is a 13. Okay, so multiply 2 for diameter. Okay, and then height is, take normal, fix center, and then this point, and then 67.5, take a 67.5, and one circle is also required, so take a mirror, select this circle, and then go through mirror. So with first you need to take a center line for a mirror. Okay, and then select this circle, go through mirror, and then select this line. Okay, no need to required, delete this. (30° and then total is 60°. Okay, need to delete this line and then see this dimension. Outer circle is 23, so take a circle, this point, and this dimension is a 23. So define this dimension 23, 23.4 into multiply 2. Okay, then one circle is also required, so take a mirror, select the circle, go through mirror and select this line. Okay, and one arc is also required. This arc radius is a 22. See this 22.1. So also here same. So take a arc, 3-point arc, first point, second point, then downward arc. Okay, then apply to tangent, select first line circle, then this line. Okay, and then tangent is also applied here. This both circle distance is here to here, this point, center distance is 78, so your distance is 78, so take a 78, 78.0. Okay, and height is 67.5. Okay, so draw a circle, another circle, a center here, and zoom to fit. Okay, and this circle is 35.8, 35.8 into 2, because diameter, take a diameter. Then outer radius is 58.5, so draw another circle, 58.5 into 2. This distance is, so take this distance is 100, not as per drawing, take as per your requirement. Okay, and then you need to, one tangent is here, need to required. So if you applied here 60, see this smudge, so take a 80, it's fine, and then apply a arc here to here, this arc is downward. Okay, then apply to tangent, first, second, then this is also tangent, then apply to mirror. Okay. Select this line, go through the first line, go through mirror, then select a center line. Okay, this way you need to all mirror. So take a center line for here to here, this point, and then draw this line. Okay, and then jig this command, click here, and one line to need to draw here. Here to here, and then you need to how to apply thicken. So this distance is 10.4, so thicken, apply flat, open, and then 10.4 to 5.2. Okay, this way, and then merge, then apply to mirror. Okay. Hide this if you all the dimension, then your diagram is clearly visible. Okay, and then mirror, apply to mirror. Okay. Select this line, draw another line here, here, and so take a thickness, go to thickness, open is need. Okay, and then 10 point, this is 10.4. Okay, so 10.4, 10.4, enter, and half, take another half, 5.2, and close it, and then apply to mirror all the part. Apply mirror. Okay, so need to center line. So first take a center line. Without center line you cannot apply mirror. Select again here, one by one, control press, and then select all, this way. And select this mirror, and then select this line. Okay, this way your drawing is ready. Only trim is rest. So how to apply trim? One slot is also here, so draw a line, and then try to okay, then apply to here, this line, and then thicken, open, you need to open. Okay, and then distance is thicken, then 10.2, 10.4, enter, 5.2, half. I'm taking the half dimension. Okay, so apply to mirror, same as it is. Select second, then go through mirror and then apply here mirror this way. See this. Okay, so need to here change, so on the dimension. Okay, so take this radius is 6 by 6, it's better. Okay, and then 22 this radius, by 60, then apply coincident. This circle is need to here. Okay, this way. Then zoom fit. Okay, this way your diagram is completed. Okay, you need to so edit all the dimension as per your requirement. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.